So what's all this stuff?
Are you ready for it?
What's all this stuff?
Oh. Oh, no cough. Pepper, leave it. Oh. You don't be rude. Don't be rude.
Hey loves, we're going to jump right into this video. I've recruited my sister Melinda to help me with this process because she'll be able to see all the areas where there's product buildup that I've missed during my regular shampoo. I'm doing 3 rounds of this rinse. For the first round, we used entirely too much water and it was steaming hot. We went beyond the water limit line, so my clothes and towel got soaked by the end of this first round. So you'll see later on that I've changed clothes. We are doing this on the floor and not the bed for more stability. I'm using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of baking soda, 3/4 cups of apple cider vinegar, and I'm soaking for 15 minutes each round while Melinda goes through each lock to loosen up any product buildup that she may find. The last time I did the ACV rinse, I was about 16 months into my lock journey. I've just hit 5 years, so I am definitely way behind with keeping up with this treatment. This time, we didn't follow any rules or exact measurements to the T when adding the ingredients to the wash. We just did our own thing until we got my hair squeaky clean. Fortunately, I did not experience any dryness this time with the excessive amount of ingredients used, so that was just in my case. So please use at your own risk and don't come for me in the comment section because I warned you. You guys asked me from the last ACV rinse video whether this can be done by yourself, and yes, it can be done by yourself. Since I'm recording my process, it's just easier to have a second set of hands to help me. Also, I've been doing my locks myself for the past 5 years, and today it feels nice to have someone else wash my hair for me. The last time that I went to a professional to get my hair done was in January of 2019. Right before I installed my starter locks. So this experience is making me consider getting my locks professionally washed and styled from here on out. You'll start to notice that as we are doing this process, the water isn't changing much in color. I dyed my hair black not too long ago and only had about 1 wash between then and now because life be lifing, y'all. We realized that a lot of that black hair dye was coming out in the wash still each time we were doing this. Melinda washed my hair with the Neutrogena shampoo 3 times, once with Dr. Bronner's Peppermint soap, and we let the Dark and Lovely conditioner sit on my locks for about 5 minutes. Melinda did such a good job of getting my hair clean from the product buildup, and so I really should let her do this more often. For those of you who were wondering whether my ends were still loose, they are in certain areas, but not all, as you can see. Now it's about that time to meet my fur babies. So I will see you all in the next video. Until next time, you guys. Bye-bye.
Hi. Hi. Oh, you gotta get down though. Here, stay up on me. You can't. Go wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. know.
Oh.